Lecture 35 under Unit 4 Traffic Management Practices at Work Site. So we are going to discuss about Advanced Traveler Information System. This is a content beyond syllabus. This is also one of the important component of Intelligent Transportation System, which gives advanced information for the road users. If some road diversions are going to take place or any traffic detouring is there, that will be informed to the road users well in advance, so that the road users can take a different route to reach their destination. In short, they say ATIS offers to users of transportation system travel related information. It may be travel time or the overall stream speed or any bottlenecks are there, so that information in advance or on real time basis to help them in decision making on route choices, estimate travel times and avoid congestion. Suppose if this system is not there or not present, then the people naturally go and choke the road further, so the problem get increases. So well in advance the information is given to the road users. They can take another route or alternative route. Even some of the advanced software suggesting the alternative route to the destination. So best example is the Google Map. Nowadays we are widely using for the traffic, that is travel. So if you enter the origin and destination, automatically based on the traffic, the current traffic condition, that is important, the current traffic condition, it shows the optimized route to reach the destination. So this is a picture which shows the various components which we are using in ITS. The major three components are the communication. Strong communication system must be there, and there must be an app, and there's a traffic control center which continuously acquire data from the field and process it, and the information will be passed to the road user. So the it is ICT tools, in short we can say, the information, communication and technology, new technology we are adopting for optimized traffic operations. GPS enabled in-vehicle navigation system. So that is the Google Maps. It's a GPS is naturally installed in the car or the whatever may be the vehicle. So you can track the even the vehicle. In IRCTC also there is a vehicle tracking system is there, through which the passengers can track the train where it is coming. So accordingly they can plan their trip. So dynamic road message signboards, or otherwise we can say the variable message signboards for real-time communication of information on traffic congestions, bottlenecks, accident, and alternate route information during road closures, maintenance. So all these activities or the incidences can be communicated quickly on real-time basis. So websites to provide a color-coded network map showing congestion levels on highway. That is called congestion index. We can say, suppose a blue color indicates no congestion, so free, the road is free. Whereas in the Google Map it's a red color if it is showing that is completely blocked, there is a congestion is there, so bottleneck is there, so we can take a detour route. So the satellite system is effectively used in this type of Google Maps. Even the local authority also can develop such kind of facility for traffic operations. A typical ATIS consists of couple of information collection. They have to collect the information from site, process it in the center. Though there is a traffic control center is there, after collecting the data, they process the data, and an information service provider, there's an app is there, those through Wi-Fi they will communicate to the road users. The information collection and processing center linked by a combination of wireless and wireless technologies. Either way they can connect wireless through Wi-Fi or with wire. So especially the signals are controlled through traffic control center through local controllers. Both the main server which is located in the traffic control center connected to the local center through cables, so wire connections, through which you can change the green time based on the traffic congestion levels. So or wireless communications. Nowadays we are using smartphones, so through which the information can be passed. The Google Maps, for example, through Wi-Fi we can access the Google Maps while traveling. So the automatic vehicle location sensor system and passenger counters that provide an accurate location of each bus, train, in the fleet, and volume of passenger boarding and lighting, even automatic ticket tellers are there. So once the passenger board, automatically deduct from his passenger travel card and it issue a ticket, and also make a record of count how many passengers are traveling inside the vehicle. It has a count, so you can say the section wise what is the passenger volume, where the maximum passenger boarding, alighting. So this kind of information automatically we will get through this system. This data is processed at the transit management center and compared to a database of scheduled times. Suppose peak hour, so more demand is there for a particular section of a highway, so you can operate more number of buses, public transport buses or trains and locations. The center also has a voice and data communication links to every vehicle to support the transmission of new routes and instruction to vehicle drivers. So the center also has a voice, so voice way also they can communicate. So in Google Maps there is a voice message also there. If you switch on, that automatically tells take left, take right. So that kind of voice message is also possible. This is a simple sketch which shows the connection of the vehicle, that is from road, the data traffic control center collecting data through wireless or wire communication, and they are processing through computer, and then they are communicating to the road user through mobile phone and traveler gadgets. The center is also connected to a range of information kiosks at strategic locations such as bus stations. You can access where is the bus and what is the fare, how many buses are operated. So those things digitally continuously you can change, and next bus what time it is coming. So railway stations and other public places, enabling current travel information to be delivered to these locations. And nowadays the Ola, Uber apps also is the best example of ITS. So we can book a taxi through your app. So olden days, if you see, you have to call and book a taxi, we need to wait at your location for longer period of time even sometimes. But nowadays with a single app you can able to book a taxi or auto. The center can send information to the user directly on their smartphone and navigation tools, etc. Next, the emergency management system. During emergency, in case of any fire or any accidents happened, such kind of situations, the information need to be immediately passed through the nearby hospitals and police stations. So then the people can arrive quickly and the people lives can be saved. So in countries like India, where there are number of accidents occurring on roads, say alarming. Nowadays every day so many people are killed through road accidents. So this kind of accidents, the major reason is the lag of time duration, lag in time duration to reach hospital. So if you have a very strong communication ITS tools are there, so that the accident, that is if a injured person can be taken to the hospital quickly, so he can be treated on daily basis, and lakhs of people die throughout the year. There is a need to an emergency system on corridors for the provision of timely support of the road users involved in accidents. So that is important. See, timely, if you take the person to the hospital in time, within that time he can be saved, he or she can be saved. So emergency management services are generally arranged by traffic control centers that continually monitoring roadway conditions through CCTV cameras. So that is the major reason why then roads, major arterials and national highways, they are keeping CCTV cameras. Continuously they are monitoring, and the video is recorded continuously. Okay, so this is helping in emergency handling emergency situation, as well as for further accident investigation, and also this kind of video record is very much helpful. So emergency management user service is essentially required to improve the management and response to emergency situations of police, fire and rescue operation. In case of an accident, the nearest emergency service vehicle is electronically located from the system and dispatched to the site. So automatically give an alert to the nearby ambulances or firefighting vehicles, so that they can immediately reach the site. The traffic control center then alert the other drivers in the incident area through dynamic message signboard. So there continuously some intervals there is a variable message signboards. It gives information to the other road users, so that they cannot come to cross this incident. The incident area location automatically indicated, so that they can take a alternative route. These services help in reducing the response time, reducing the possibility of occurrence of secondary incident, and saves the lives. See, this is very common in foreign countries where the vehicles goes at very high speed. Suppose some incident happened, accident happened, so the number of vehicles may come and collide with the already accidented vehicle. So this is very much possible since the vehicles are going at very high speed and also at a closer interval. So there is a series of accidents may happen due to a single accident. So this can be avoided through this VMS, variable message signboard. ITS applications in emergency management also consist of management of hazardous material movement. Suppose some crackers, if the vehicle, some vehicles is taking place, those so that vehicle alone can be tracked. Okay, so completely from origin to the destination. The deployment of emergency medical services, large and small scale emergency response and evacuation operations. So immediately that vehicle need to be taken away from the road so that the traffic can be operated smoothly. These applications can enhance the efficiency of transportation capacity during emergencies, improve productivity of hazardous material shipping operations, and increase overall traveler safety and security. So that in short they say HAZMAT. The US Department of Transportation agency have bundled different individuals ITS user services into groups. So the US is a pioneer in they have separated department for transportation, so complete all transportation related ITS or complete transportation road network is handled by the DOT. So each state is having their own DOT, so they are taking care of the entire road network within their state. The emergency management user service bundles uses the following services: emergency notification and personal security, hazardous material planning and incident response. See, whenever they want to take some hazardous material, they have to plan which route they have to take. So the densely residential areas and all you should avoid. So they have to plan the route even. In case any incident happen, how to respond. So for that also they prepare a plan. So disaster response and management, emergency vehicle management. Emergency vehicle management means where to at what interval the emergency vehicle need to be parked so that they can reach the site immediately. So all these things we need to plan well in advance. References. Thank you.